A very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well at your homes. So let's start our English class. In our last class, we had completed some of the exercise of chapter 8, which we left that day. And today we'll start that new poem, My Dog, from page number 99. So you all have to open page number 99, as you can see on your screen also. My Dog. The name of this poem is My Dog. And this poem is about that a dog is missing. Have you seen him? So let's find out about the dog so that you recognize him as soon as you see him. Understand? So let's find out and recognize. Let's find out that how that dog looks like and what that dog used to do, so that we can find it out. So first of all, I'll read this poem, I'll recite this poem, and after that, you all have to recite four lines of this poem. Understand? So let me recite this poem for you all. Have you seen a little dog anywhere about? A raggy dog, a shaggy dog who's always looking out for some fresh mischief which he thinks he really ought to do. He's very likely at this minute biting someone's shoes. If you see that little dog, his tail up in the air, a willy dog, a willy tail, a curly tail, a dog who doesn't care for any other dog he meets, not even for himself, then hide your mats and put your meat upon the topmost shelf. If you see that little dog barking at the cards, a raggy dog, a shaggy dog with eyes like twinkling stars, just let me know, for though he's bad as bad can be, I couldn't change that dog for all the treasures of the sea. So this is the poem, and the poet is Emily Lewis. The poet's name is, this is poetess, I guess. So start reciting this poem from Annapurna. Start reciting. You have to recite four lines, everybody. Okay, one by one. I'll take the name.
Have,
You have to recite them.
have you seen a little dog anywhere about? A raggy dog, a shaggy dog who always looking out for some fresh mischief, which he thinks he really ought to do. He is very likely at this minute beating someone too.
Hari, next four lines.
Yes, ma'am. If you see the little dog, his tail up in the air, and welled tail is cried tail a dog.
Listen, a really tail, a curly tail.
A curly tail, a curly tail, a dog who
Doesn't care
doesn't care for any other dog he meet, not every for
not
himself.
not even for himself.
There
Then it's not there, then
then you
then hide
then hide you
your, it's not you, your mats.
your mad at put your mat
Put your meat
put your meat you pen the
upon the topmost shelf.
Upon the tap one shell.
Hari, you have to read at least one chapter daily. Understand? Read one chapter daily of each and every book of your English, even it is EBS. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then your reading power will improve. You are very weak in reading. So do practice of reading. Read one chapter daily. It's very important. Yes, Arushi, next 4 lines, start reciting.
If you see that little dog barking at the cars, a raggy dog, a shaggy dog with eyes like twinkling star, just let me know, for
Arushi,
though
put your
he's
mic down.
bad as bad can
Mic
be,
down.
I wouldn't change that dog for all the treasure of the sea.
Arushi, whenever you speak, you do not put your mic too close to your mouth. Just put it down. Understand? Do
Okay,
not
ma'am.
talk like this. Just put your mic down. Your voice is clear. Kritika, next 4
Okay,
lines
ma'am.
from the starting. Start. Everybody will look into their books. I can take anybody's name to recite the poem. Do you know, Kritika, from where you have to start?
मैम हम अभी भी क्लास में ज्वाइन हुए हैं इसलिए मुझे नहीं पता.
Start from the starting. Have you seen a little dog? And from now, take care. Do not.
Have you seen
Start.
Have you seen a little dog anywhere about? A raggy dog, a shaggy dog who always looking out for some fresh mischief, which means he really out to do. He's very likely at this minute beating someone shoe.
Stop. Rishabh, next 4 lines.
Yes, ma'am. If you see the little dog, his tail up in the air, a willy tail, a curly tail, a dog who does not care for any other dog, he meets not even for himself, then hide your mats and put your meat upon the topmost shelf.
Yes. Iksha, start reciting. Next 4 lines.
If you see that little dog barking at the car, a raggy dog and shaggy dog with eyes like twinkling stars, just let me know, for though he bad as bad can be, I would change that.
I wouldn't.
Wouldn't change that dog for all the treasures
Treasures of
for the treasure for the sea.
Neela. Start.
Have you seen the little dog anywhere about? A raggy dog and a shaggy dog who always looking out for some fish, this mischief, which he thinks he really
It's mischief.
ought
Okay.
to do.
Mischief.
He is
For
very
some fresh mischief.
which he thinks he really ought to do. He is very likely at this minute beating some shoes.
Fighting
If you
someone.
see the little dog,
Stop. Sparsh.
Yes, ma'am. If you see that little dog, his tail up in the air, a wiggly tail, a curly tail, a dog who doesn't care for any other dog, he meets not even for himself, then hide your mats and put your meat upon the topmost shelf.
Rudra, start reciting. Next 4 lines.
It used see the little dog.
If you
We
see,
are
if it's not it. If you see the little dog,
it is a you little dog. We are blind
barking
at
at
it.
the car,
Arkin in the
at the car,
at the cars. A really
a raggy dog, a shaggy dog,
a ready dog, a saddy dog,
with
which
with eyes like
with
shooting stars.
which I lies to start. Just
Just
a little me
let me know
no for pro
for no
or bro has a ba debate as b but as b but can be
it's bad.
I
He's
I
bad
that
as bad can be.
be their dog
I wouldn't
from I wouldn't
change.
see they
I
with
wouldn't change
their dog
that dog.
for
I
our
wouldn't
dog
change that dog.
all the
Treasures
treasures of the
sea.
sea.
Aradhya, start.
Have you seen a little anywhere a dog anywhere about? A raggy dog, a shaggy dog who always looking out for some fresh mischief, which he thinks he really out
What
to do. He is very likely at the minute beating someone
fighting someone?
should.
Avi Gupta,
If you see the little dog have tail up in the air, the really the curly
curly,
tail are
curly dog.
curly dog are dog where doesn't care from any other dog he meet, not every for he himself, then hiding your mate and put your meat up up on the topmost shelf.
Annapurna, start reciting.
Yes, ma'am. If you see that dog barking at the cars, a raggy dog, a shaggy dog with eyes like twinkling stars, just let me know, for though he's bad can be, I wouldn't change that dog for all the treasures of the sea.
Stop. Yes, Arushi, you want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am. When we was reading, if you see the little dog is tail up in air, a willy tail, then after it, there is written a curly dog or a curly tail.
Curly tail is written. A willy tail, a curly tail. A dog who doesn't care. Curly तो tail ही होगी, dog थोड़ी curly होगा. Sometimes you have.
Yes, ma'am. By mistake, you have seen the dog.
It is not a dog, it's curly. It's tail. Curly tail ही होगी. Curly means like this is curls. Curled tail. So sometimes the dog's tail is curled. Dog, how can dog be curled? Dog cannot be curled. Okay, so now let's start the exercise. So let me explain this poem. Means poet is saying that have you seen a little dog anywhere about? क्या आपने मेरे dog को देखा है कहीं पर? A raggy dog, a shaggy dog. और एक raggy dog है, वो थोड़ा raggy है and थोड़ा shaggy है. Shaggy means to have long and tidy hair. उसके जो hairs हैं बहुत लंबे लंबे से हैं, long hair. who always looking out, वो हमेशा इधर उधर देखता रहता है, for some fresh mischief which he thinks he really ought to do. कुछ mischief means शरारत करने, कुछ naughty होना, like, so he want to become some naughtiness, he want to do something like to सबको परेशान करना चाहता है. he is very likely at this minute biting someone's shoes. अभी वो इस समय शायद किसी का शूज को बाइट कर रहा होगा. He was biting someone's shoe. If you see that little dog, his tail up in the air. जो मेरा डॉग है उसकी टेल हमेशा ऊपर अप में एयर में रहती है इस तरह से. कैन यू सी दैट? अ विली टेल, अ कर्ली टेल. उसकी टेल ऐसी विली है एंड कर्ल्ड है. अ डॉग हु डजंट केयर. ऐसा डॉग है उसको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. ही डजंट केयर अबाउट एनीथिंग. फॉर एनी अदर डॉग ही नीड्स, नॉट इवन फॉर हिमसेल्फ. Then hide your mats and put your meat upon the topmost shelf. अगर आप किसी भी डॉग से मिले तो अपने मैट्स और अपने मीट को, अपने खाने को ऊपर टॉप मोस्ट शेल्फ पे रखें. He's saying. If you see that little dog barking at the cars, अगर आप देखें वो मेरा छोटा सा डॉग जो कार्स के पीछे बार्क करता रहता है हमेशा. A raggy dog, a shaggy dog with eyes like twinkling stars. उसकी आंखें मेरे डॉग की एकदम twinkling star की जैसे शाइन करती रहती है. Just let me know, for though he's bad as bad can be, I wouldn't change that dog for all the treasure of the sea. वो चाहे कितना भी बुरा हो, कितना भी परेशान करता हो, कितना भी नॉटी हो, बट मैं कभी भी अपने डॉग को किसी ट्रेजर के साथ भी नहीं दूंगा. कोई मुझे ट्रेजर भी देगा ना, like take this treasure and give me your dog, I will never change my dog with that treasure. Understand? So this poetess who is Emily Lewis, she's explaining about her dog. So I hope that you all understood this poem which I explained. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me. So students, as you can see here, some word meanings which you all have to learn and write down on your notebook, and you all have to make sentences of your own through of these words which are given. Barking, make sentences of the word which are given here. Barking, topmost, treasure, curly and shaggy. You have to make your own sentence on your notebook. Understand? Now move to the exercise. Why do you think the poet is looking for her dog? Let's write the answer. Write down answer on your notebook if you have, and or even on your rough notebook. After that you can fair it on your fair notebook. Understand? That will be better for you all. So I'll write the answers over here. Why do you think the poet is looking for her dog? And answer is the poetess is, I told you that she is poetess. Poetess is looking for her dog. I hope that screen is visible to you all. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. This is the answer of this answer number 1. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks and complete the description of the dog. The dog is raggy and shaggy. Shaggy. His tail
Ma'am, up in the air.
yes. It is a frilly tail and a curly tail. Curly tail. Frilly tail.
Ma'am, willy tail and curly tail.
Yes. Frilly tail and a curly tail. His eyes are like twinkling stars.
Ma'am, his eyes are like twinkling stars.
Yes. What does the dog love to buy? Mats, shoes, bone, shocks.
Ma'am, shoes.
Yes, it loves to hide shoes.
Shoes.
What should you hide from the dog? Shoes, bones, mats, toys.
Ma'am, mats.
A mat.
Have you written answer number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now move to the next answer. Why do you think the dog barks at the car? Do you think all dogs barks at the car? So answer number 5. Do you think the dog barks at the car? Answer number 5 is the dogs because he has a habit to bark at vehicles not all the dogs barks at the car. Not all the dogs barks at the car. This is answer number 5. Question number 6 is, do you think you would like to own the dog in the poem? Support your answer with a reason. Then let's write the answer. No, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't. Or you can like write would not. I would not like to own such a dog because it does not have good habits. Next question is, why do you think the poet says, I wouldn't change that dog for all the treasure of the sea? An answer is, the poetess says so because she loves the dog. Imagine you have a cat as a pet, fill in the blanks and compose a poem, My Cat. Have you seen a little cat?
Ma'am, I have a cat.
A dash cat, a fair cat, a slim cat. Fair
Ma'am,
cat.
a raggy cat, a shaggy cat.
No, not raggy shaggy. You just have to write a fair cat and a slim cat. Little bit change you should have to put. Looking out for some fresh mischief which she thinks she really ought to do. She is very likely at drinking someone's milk. Drinking. Off your mic, please. Drinking someone's milk. Full stop. So this is all students. You have to complete these exercises, learn the poem, and complete all the exercises on your notebook as well. Make sentences of the words given, and we'll meet in our next class. I hope you all have written. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. We'll meet in our next class. Okay, till then, take care. Good day, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Good